iCarsoft CR Max P. In this video, we're working on this Nissan Micra 0.9 litre, something like that. It's a small engine, and we have P0010 camshaft D-phaser circuit, and it says current as well. On this engine, I'm going to show you. So if you're getting this, there's a few symptoms. So it'll either crank and nothing happens, or you just won't crank, or it'll work, turn on, runs, and then starts to cut out, or you're having power loss. Now you'll get all sorts of symptoms really with this camshaft. Camshafts are a very annoying problem. I'm going to show you where to find this sensor. Because it says circuit, my hopes are, which has always been, we track and trace the wire to it. So first thing first, you'll be checking the fuse board and then going on to the wiring loom, which is this here. And I know this bit here rubs against the body here, which is why it's a bit thicker, but you can see what's happened. And if we unplug it, this is your sensor, and that is where the sensor lays. May have to stop the video and just work it out, but anyways, long story short, that's where the sensor is. We will do a live data, view data, engine management, and we'll go into camshaft on this as well, as a live data. Camshaft, and see camshaft defense. So you can see 0. So that clearly tells me it's actually not mechanical side of it, as in like the internal combustion, which is the sensor. Obviously I've unplugged it, but looking at the wiring, which has been sorted anyway in here, okay, there, sorted that, I know, because that's what we were getting before, exactly that 0. So now, moment of truth. So if we plug this in, there we go, it should be a bit different. Let's try camshaft. Still getting 0, but sometimes that may not show. So let's go on to read fault codes. Let's see if it says passed. Yep, it says passed. So that clearly has solved it. Maybe I'm on the wrong thing on the live data for sure. I'm plugging it back in, and if we come back out, I'm pretty sure I can reset it now. Fault code, no, there you are. So you can see there is no fault code stored. So yeah, if you're getting that fault code, guys, that's where you need to look. And if it is the sensor, which can be as well sometimes, guys, my advice is buy a genuine OEM from that part number. It's literally not, I don't think it's difficult. It's not the hardest thing, if you ask me. I'm sure you can all do it. Change the sensor to an original OEM.